Greetings financial enthusiasts. Welcome to the Financial Context channel, your trusted companion on the journey to financial enlightenment. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the profound teachings of Robert Kiyosaki's groundbreaking work, Cashflow Quadrant. Our focus: clarifying the distinction between financial security and freedom, emphasizing strategic investments for ultimate independence. Our primary focus is to master the dynamic framework that classifies individuals into four distinct quadrants: E for employee, S for self-employed or small business owner, B for big business owner, and I for investor. On the left side of the quadrant, E and S dwellers often find themselves ensnared in the pitfalls of job security and limited financial growth. Conversely, the right side, occupied by B and I individuals, holds the keys to financial freedom through strategic wealth building and the power of passive income. Let's navigate through the intricacies of these quadrants and unlock the secrets to a prosperous financial future. 1. The misconception of financial security and job dependency. In Kiyosaki's Cashflow Quadrant, he challenges the conventional belief tying financial security exclusively to job stability. Contrary to the widespread notion that job security guarantees financial well-being, he advocates for a broader perspective. He asserts that genuine financial security necessitates mastering both sides of the Cashflow Quadrant, urging individuals to rethink their dependence on traditional job-centric financial stability. For many, the paradigm shift advocated by him signifies a departure from the security associated with a steady job. It encourages individuals to explore the avenues presented by the B big business owner and I investor quadrants, where wealth is built through strategic investments and ownership, challenging the conventional wisdom that job stability alone equates to financial security. 2. The evolution from financial security to freedom. Kiyosaki introduces the concept that financial freedom stands as the pinnacle of financial achievement, attainable only after establishing a foundation of financial security. This progression represents a departure from the routine of earning a paycheck solely to cover living expenses. Instead, financial freedom symbolizes a stage where individuals have accumulated enough wealth and passive income streams to sustain their desired lifestyle without continuous dependence on active work. This evolution is not just a journey from job security to financial security, it's a transformative shift towards autonomy and independence. His teachings prompt a re-evaluation of financial goals, emphasizing the pursuit of a life not bound by the necessity to work for a paycheck but guided by the ability to enjoy the fruits of strategic financial decisions. 3. Simultaneous earning. Active and passive income. For those in the E employee or S self-employed quadrants, he recommends a dual income strategy. Individuals can earn active income through their jobs or businesses while simultaneously investing to generate passive income. This approach facilitates a transition into the I investor quadrant and is a practical step towards financial independence. By emphasizing the simultaneous pursuit of both active and passive income, he provides a tangible roadmap for individuals to break free from the limitations of a single income stream. This dual income strategy not only enhances financial security but also accelerates the journey towards financial freedom. 4. The transformative power of strategic investing. Investing, according to Kiyosaki, acts as the catalyst propelling individuals from the realms of financial security towards financial freedom. Strategic investments, ranging from real estate to stocks and businesses, enable money to work for more money. This concept aligns with the fundamental principle of making money work for you, a cornerstone in the journey toward financial independence. Strategic investing isn't merely about preserving wealth but actively growing it. He advocates for a shift from passive saving to active investing, where each financial decision contributes to the creation of passive income streams. This transformative power of strategic investing forms the core of Kiyosaki's approach to wealth building. 5. Navigating the quadrant for lasting financial freedom. Entering the world of financial freedom requires a mindset shift and an exploration of new avenues. Kiyosaki emphasizes the perpetual expansion of financial education, honing investment skills, and embracing the possibilities that come with financial independence. This phase provides the flexibility to make choices based on passion and purpose rather than financial necessity. Navigating the quadrant for lasting financial freedom involves not only understanding the principles of financial independence but actively incorporating them into one's lifestyle. His teachings encourage individuals to view financial education as a lifelong journey, ensuring adaptability to the evolving financial landscape. 6. Leveraging passive income for autonomy. A critical element in Kiyosaki's approach is the significance of passive income. Passive income liberates individuals from the constraints of active income sources, granting autonomy and flexibility. It is the key ingredient in achieving financial freedom, allowing individuals to decouple their time from money and create a sustainable, wealth-generating system. His emphasis on passive income extends beyond traditional employment or self-employment. By diversifying income streams and cultivating sources of passive income, individuals gain the freedom to allocate their time according to personal priorities, unburdened by the constant need to engage in active work. 7. The legacy of financial independence. Kiyosaki concludes with a profound exploration of the legacy of financial independence. Beyond personal financial goals, creating a legacy involves instilling financial intelligence in future generations. By teaching the principles of money management, investing, and entrepreneurship, individuals ensure that the legacy of wealth continues to flourish, impacting not only their lives but also the lives of those who follow. In conclusion, understanding the disparity between financial security and financial freedom is a pivotal step in reshaping our approach to wealth building. By dissociating financial security from job security, recognizing the significance of both sides of the cashflow quadrant, and strategically navigating the realms of active and passive income, individuals can embark on a transformative journey towards financial freedom. This journey, guided by Kiyosaki's insights, involves continuous learning, strategic investing, and a commitment to breaking free from conventional financial norms. If you found this exploration enlightening, stay tuned for more insights into financial wisdom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for a wealth of knowledge on your financial journey. And, of course, check out the links in the description for a curated list of useful financial products that can aid you on your financial journey.